Yo.
Yo.
Oh fuck! Oh fuck!
Minute. Wait a minute.
The man, bro.
Shit, at least I'm being honest.
Yo.
Yeah,
What's wrong? You straight?
cool.
We gotta beat somebody ass or something?
You gotta spin the block. Oh,
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
You know what you did, Shay?
yeah.
What's up? I'm
I don't
straight.
think you need to be fighting.
Nah, I'm ready, bro. I'm ready.
It's okay.
Come on, bro. I'm ready.
Okay, let me see one more time.
All right, hold on. I was a little too fast. I got out of control.
Okay.
My op is the mic, right?
Uh-huh.
I'ma start slow. You know what I'm saying? Man, I got them bitches, bro.
You gotta have to do a little more to that. You might have to bring the stick or something. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It ain't no.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But I got something this long. This to put a motherfucker down for sure, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Who we killing? Your boyfriend?
No.
Oh, you got a
We
boyfriend?
finna go slide on the ops.
Oh, you got ops?
Yeah.
How many?
I got real ops out here.
What's up?
I'm pissed off. Some bitch fucking ruined my mood.
Why? What happened, bro? Tell me what the fuck happened.
I wish I could beat that bitch ass.
Let's go slide on them.
Hey, but I don't know where that bitch lives though. I told her to send me your Eddie because I would have pulled up for real, for real.
Where you at right now so I can slide on you?
I'm in Arizona. I'm Phoenix.
You're gonna take me like 18 hours to get there, but how old you is though?
Hey, I'm 17.
17? Oh, whoa, what the fuck? It's not me. It's the setup. Damn. My bad.
Damn, you got demons up in your
You
house.
feel me? These ghosts trying to tell me this.
Nah, you got demons up in there.
Bro,
You got demons.
I shot the wrong nigga last week. You fuck with YouTube though?
What's up?
Don't even skip me like that because I feel like you cool, so don't even skip me like that.
I am cool.
Alright, so then why you gotta be mean then?
What you mean?
Shit, I'm just saying. How old you is though?
20.
20, I'm 23. Where you from?
Jersey.
Why I say you from Washington?
Because I'm in Baltimore.
Makes sense. You from Jersey? So that means you had New York pizza, right? No? Never had New York pizza? What's the difference between New York and Jersey?
Well, I'm from South Jersey, so basically I'm from Philly.
So basically you from Philly? Makes sense. What you doing out here? Bored? You got a best friend? Come on now. You got a boy or a girl best friend?
Both.
So you got 2 or 4?
2.
That's it. How long you known them?
5 years. 6 years.
I'll say y'all like that. Okay, I ain't gonna try to change your mind then. You feel me?
Would you want to be my best friend?
I was, but I don't know if you was gonna hit me with one of those. No, I got one.
You didn't even ask.
I was about to. You ain't. I was finna warm it up. I like to warm up the packet before I eat my noodles. You know what I'm saying? Like, damn. But we could fucking around, make something work. We could be best friends.
Come on.
I said, you my new best friend. I don't want to have to fight you. You too pretty.
You can't fight me.
You too pretty.
Thank you.
I would never want to fight you. You too pretty.
You can't fight me though.
How is that?
You can't fight me.
Oh, you must be talented, skilled. You skilled? You got that shit? Okay, if you can fight, give me a quick 1, 2, 3.
Be for real.
I'm serious. I want to see how fast it is.
What I look like?
Oh, damn.
We put him in his bed.
Yo,
Hey,
Hey, what's up?
what up? Where y'all from?
what was it?
We're from Georgia.
I heard that what y'all hand? Somebody lying?
Wait, what?
No, ain't nobody
I
lying.
heard your friend over there. She was finna say something with an S. Like,
Oh no, I'm talking to my friend. She's on the side. Say hi.
oh, it's still y'all. Okay. Makes sense. Well, y'all from Georgia. How old are y'all?
20.
20. For some reason, wait, what's your name?
Me?
Yes,
Keisha.
Keisha, I see something in you.
You see something in me?
Yep.
What's that?
It's your swag.
My sweat have swag?
You know what I'm saying? It's the choker, the nose ring. You know what I'm saying? It's just, I don't know. I fuck with it.
Thank you.
You like play fight?
What do you mean by play fight?
Keep it a buck. Don't be lying. You know what I'm saying? You like play fight. Like if you was with a nigga, you like play fight.
I mean, it's not something I like seek out.
Right. But I'm saying like, say if you was with a best friend, you and him play fight, would you like that?
Sure. Yeah.
Like you like aggressiveness a little bit. That's what it is.
What? That's not true.
I'm not a man reader. I'm just saying, you know, I'm just stating facts. Keisha, you got a best friend?
I'm with my best friends right now.
They're my all females. Do you got a male best friend?
Yes, I have a male boyfriend.
The cap.
Dubai, take you in the fucking sky. You gonna hop on my plane. We gonna go fly, y'all.
Yo. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hang that shit up.
From Chicago.
Yo.
Are they streaming?
Yo.
Whoa. Hold the fuck on, brother. Wait. Hey.
Yeah, I'm shit itchy.
Straight?
Shit itching, bro.
Yo.
Oh,
How old are you?
25.
25?
Mm-hmm.
You look young.
Thank you. I had face surgery because I'm a guy.
You gonna die.
I'm a guy.
QTV gotta make it someday, some way, somehow.
Yup.
And I wanted your friend over here, but she ain't want to talk to me. But it's cool. Though.
I got a boyfriend.
Don't play with me. I am not the one.
Say that.
You in love with that nigga? I don't think so.
I don't think so.